So here we are with part two of businesses that run themselves. Part two. All right. So businesses that run themselves. This part is going to be all about AI businesses that run themselves. I thought it would be great for me to utilize some different ChatGPT options because I feel like a lot of people talk about making money with ChatGPT, but nobody really tells you guys. Guess what? You can actually run a business utilizing ChatGPT, a service business at that. So I'm going to provide you with a couple of different service business ideas that leverage artificial intelligence to enhance efficiency, customer experience, and overall operations, right? So how you can use ChatGPT to actually provide a service to someone else. And these are businesses that pretty much run themselves. Obviously, it's a service, so you're going to do a little bit, but they're pretty easy for you to get in front of an audience and sell, right? Let's be honest. We're looking for different ways and ideas for things that people actually want to purchase. Because I could tell you a whole list of different service business ideas that utilize AI and all that good stuff, like, the whole ebooks and things to that effect. But we don't know if people actually want that stuff from us. When we look at services, one thing about services is that it's always needed. Someone is always looking for someone to actually do the thing they don't know how to do. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So let's start off with 7. And this one is I struggled a bit with this one, adding this one to the list. But number 1 is the one that I feel like is the easiest one to do and the one that I feel like a lot of people are actually looking for. But let's go ahead and hop into number 7. So number 7 is AI-enabled cybersecurity consulting. So what you would do is offer cybersecurity consulting services that leverage AI-based threat detection, infusion prevention, security analytics to protect businesses from cyber threats, identity vulnerability, and implement proactive security measures. I feel like for this one, you would need to do a little bit, if not a lot of school or training in order to do this one, but I added it to the list because I think it's something that a lot of people are looking for. Cybersecurity is huge right now, especially with all this stuff going haywire, right? We've had Facebook fall down. We've had, TikTok do a whole, have you ever logged into your TikTok account and saw all your videos at 0 before, right? I'm sure those glitches aren't just glitches. There's other things going on and people trying to break in and hack certain things. But I feel like with this particular one, with an AI-enabled cybersecurity consulting, you will need to go ahead and invest in some type of alternate training or understanding, right? Where the majority of the other ideas that we have on this list, you could pretty much just utilize ChatGPT and you're off to the races. So anyway, that's number 7. If you want to look into cybersecurity consulting, that is one for you. All right. So number 6 is AI-driven language translation services. I really love AI for this, and I love utilizing ChatGPT for this because I've actually used ChatGPT to do this before. So what you would do is utilize ChatGPT or AI to provide language translation and localization services powered by artificial intelligence, right? So you would offer accurate or efficient translation solutions for businesses expanding into global markets or communicating with international customers. For one of the businesses that I have, we do have like an online resource place, and we have to translate a lot of the information that we have there into Spanish for our Spanish customers and clients, right? So I'm finding myself going into ChatGPT and like, how do I say this in Spanish? How do I translate this into Spanish, right? Utilizing a lot of that. And so you can actually provide where you are even teaching people how to speak a language. So if you are fluent, so if you're fluent in a particular language, I think this is where this could be really great for you because you could, let's say you speak Spanish, you can teach someone or create an ebook around how to speak Spanish, and then you can utilize ChatGPT to just write that whole thing for you. And then you can go in and make sure that the translation is correct, right? If you are someone that speaks even, other languages, you can do the same thing. And it's really great because you can use AI to write a lot of that stuff for you. You don't have to technically use your whole entire brain to sit there and write the whole thing out. So I love AI-driven language translation services for that. All right. So let's go ahead and go into number 5. Number 5 is a good one. I'm actually looking at this one myself, which is AI enhanced healthcare consulting. So what you do is you provide consulting services to healthcare organizations leveraging AI technologies for medical imaging, analysis, patient diagnosis, treatment planning, and healthcare data analytics to improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency. So I could see AI coming in and helping with treatment plans, helping with healthcare data analytics, just pulling together different data and then breaking it down so that it's easy to interpret and easy to understand, right? So I love AI enhanced healthcare consulting. I think this is a really, really good one. Let's put an asterisk next to this one because this one's a really good one. This is one you definitely should look into if you're at all interested in going into the healthcare field or have previous experience working in healthcare and offering technology or offering consulting with utilizing ChatGPT and AI technology. I think this is amazing. I love this particular one on the list. All right, so number 4 is AI powered recruitment agency. I really like this one as well because you will utilize AI algorithms to streamline the recruitment process for candidate sourcing and screening, applicant tracking, and talent management. So you will offer recruitment services that leverage AI-based matching algorithms to connect companies with qualified candidates efficiently. I think this is something that I actually use in my proposals when I'm putting together proposals for particular companies around doing, UGC content or doing brand deals. I utilize this, right? I look at how I fit into the overall goals and objectives of a particular company or business that reaches out to me. So this one's a good one. If you are at all interested in helping people get jobs or in careers or in business, then AI powered recruitment agency is absolutely something you need to take a look at. All right. And then let's go into number 3 is AI enabled data analysis consulting. So this is where you're going to offer consulting services that leverage AI algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze large data sets and extract insights and data-driven recommendations for businesses in various industries. So data analysis consulting utilizing AI is something you can absolutely 120% do if you're already either a data analyst or you've worked in a project management role. This particular one right here is a really great way for you to have a business that really operates and runs itself. It literally will take you maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 for you to just gather the data and the information and get it from the client, put it into ChatGPT, run it through and creating a report. And then you're pretty much paying, you're pretty much getting paid to do that, right? You're getting paid what someone would get paid 40 hours a week to do. You're doing it in literally a couple of hours by utilizing AI. It sounds like a good deal to me. Okay. So then number 2 is AI driven customer support services. So this is where you provide customer support services powered by AI chatbots and virtual. So this is something that we actually offer within Job Speaks Digital, where we take different tools that we use in our online space and we provide them onto a website so that you can help manage the response time. You also manage the communication of the organization with the client or the constituent. So we utilize a lot of AI driven customer service type bots within our business. We have a couple of different ones that we absolutely love. One of them is called Crisp, I believe is the name of it. I have it on my phone. That's why I'm looking down at my phone. One of them is called Crisp. Crisp is an amazing, amazing chatbot that you can put onto any website really and embed it with HTML. Super easy for you to do, but you can embed it. You can also customize it. So we go in, we customize it. We make sure that it responds the way that the client or customer wants it to respond. And we also make sure that all of the back end is set up for them so that they have the apps on their phones or they have the apps in a centralized location where the employees can get to it, all that good stuff. So this one right here is a good AI driven customer support service. Go ahead and just comment down below. Yes, more on AI driven customer support services. And I'll do another video and possibly put together a little workshop around how to do this and how to find clients that are actually looking for this particular service. And my number one way, right? The number one way that you can have a business that runs itself utilizing AI technology is AI-powered digital marketing agency. That's pretty much what we do, right? So what you would do is offer digital marketing services such as SEO, social media management, content creation, enhanced with AI-driven analytics, automation tools, and modeling to optimize campaigns and drive results for clients. That is exactly what we do at Job Speaks Digital. We utilize every AI tool I can find out here in these digital streets to help you maximize your time with content creation and create more content in less time, right? So we look at different tools that we have. We put those into work, put those to work for you. Look at your content and how we can repurpose your content. I'm trying to think of other ways that I can tell you guys how we do that as well. So automation tools, optimizing your content. So we're also going in and utilizing AI to take a look at the data that you already have in your data sets and what questions you're getting, things to that effect. So we can analyze all of that data. So moving forward, you know exactly what content create, you know exactly the amount of content you want to create, and also when to post it and what platforms are going to make you the most money when you post it, where your audience is, right? Finding the audience, all that good stuff. We utilize AI technology to do a lot of those things. So that is the full list of all 7 of the service business ideas that leverage artificial intelligence, which is AI, right, to start a business that pretty much runs itself. This was part 2 of businesses that run themselves, AI. ChatGPT edition. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, like once again, make sure that you go ahead and leave a comment down below this video. I usually am pretty good about creating another video or responding. If you need an immediate response, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. You can click the link in my bio and you can click on request and go ahead and request an instant response. I usually reply to those responses within about an hour or 2, and you will get a response directly from me. My name is Jessica. I go by Job Speaks Digital. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all all in the next one. Peace. Let's get out here. Let's monetize.